It's an early spring morning. Sunshine, chirping birds, and bunnies. I'm talking about the indoor variety though. Some people have dust bunnies, but I have hair bunnies. Pretty sure they're the fastest reproducing species of bunny out there. Am I the only one out there that's got a dog hair splinter before? Man, they're painful. Ah, there's the culprit. That's Mowgli. You know, those kind of look like little hairy rolling tumbleweeds. Look at that leaping ability. Mowgli sure doesn't need any elderly dog assistance device. You know those ones in Sky Mall? Squirrel! I think we're going to hold out until Sky Mall comes out with the doggy escalator. Disgusting! He just gave birth to a whole colony of rabbits right on my bed. How can one animal be responsible for so much hair? I think it's time to make use of this dog hair. Just like dog hair, credit card offers and other junk mail are never ending. Anyone and everyone is pre-approved these days. Even my dead uncle still gets credit card offers. If someone's kind enough to send me garbage in the mail, I might as well return the favor. Ah, those precious little words. Mowgli, come here. Mowgli, come here. Do you want to give some dog hair to the credit card companies? Mowgli, they want a fresh sample. They don't want that stale stuff on the stairs. Mowgli, you're a shedding machine. Good boy. No postage necessary. Mail whatever the hell you want to us, and we'll even foot the bill. Scrap metal, the heavier the better. Lawn clippings, fantastic. Dog hair, that's our favorite. Competitor junk mail, why not? Blank envelopes, better than getting nothing. Mowgli, I need your dog hair. Heaven goes by favor. If it went by merit, you would stay out and your dog would go in. Hey boy, he's talking about you. Are you one of the million of Americans that are tired of aching, sore feet? Well, now there's an affordable solution. Forget Dr. Scholl's. His overpriced product can be made at home, at the wag of a tail. Come here, Mowgli. We need your help. Mowgli, those sheep got nothing on you. Look closely and you can see how Mowgli's absorbent hair forms a perfect ergonomic contour around the ankle. This environmentally friendly concept combines the style of Lady Gaga and the attitude of Caesar Milan. Once you've tried canine hair cushions, you'll never want to remove your shoes again. Did you know that Picasso only used hairbrushes made from dog fur? The most ideal brush making hair comes from the tip of a yearling dog tail, recently bathed. But for demonstration purposes, any hair will suffice. Now you can play Picasso in your own home. Come here, Mowgli. I bet you Bear Grylls doesn't carry around dog hair with him. Or maybe he does, but he doesn't want to sacrifice his comfortable insoles. Either way, if he used it as kindling, he could spend a lot more time eating bugs or posing in a baby seal wetsuit. Most people don't know about the secret absorbing properties of dog hair. It's a scientific fact that the natural oils coating an individual dog hair will provide a glistening, long-lasting shine to china and even more so to crystal. Are you tired of your mother or your spouse limiting you to just 3 squares of toilet paper? Well, in our household, we can proudly proclaim no squares, thanks to Mowgli and his desire to accompany us to the bathroom. Give it up. Give it up. Give me the hair. Come on. Let me have it. The amount of money we're saving on toilet paper, we're using to pay for a bidet to rinse the dog hair away.